you can be emotional about your political party, but when you want to argue intellectually. How do you video no Kasanjev the better so? Mama call Savannah region, one corner them.
Okay.
How do you Kasana no introduce president? President Atari and the pictures are been in Now, the reason why I say Nketiah would do that, because I tell you, when you do analysis, sometimes you need to do the contextual analysis, not what Tamale South. Tamale South from 2023, then lawyer Duna, undoubtedly the biggest force of NDC in Northern region. Picture be by Brian Mutala, the professor of political science, Professor Osei-Tutu, no akoto. That is Tamale Central. Tamale of 4 constituencies. Tamale South Hassan Suhin and the boy no. Is that time you go to a believe say no so about the two snow elders and channel Messi.
Papa ya baby.
The brand no to a fan at Taisa. The boy no Sanerigu.
Right.
I don't know this was the biggest force of northern politics. Huge. And he said, I said Nketiah ko hono mu blame no be chirichirim. Me me say na a unnecessary explanation.
Okay.
And you see, when someone is communicating, it's not just the words of the person, it's the mannerisms and the
gestures. I
said Nketiah cannot tell me does he know Muntaka to call him the other guy. It's not possible. It's not possible. It was avoidable. But you see, it's not a synchrophobia. NDC local position for 10 years. Every 2016, I'm See, the issue is that. The issue is that. Nanim Jason so
man what this
Beni president no 49 years no finance minister now replace president no sa to force in the corner swearing no
wow I'm a monitor that's a me so
just na me say Beni no be the presidency sia no a former finance minister or 49 years ne swearing no nipa no ko na Ghana finance minister.
Okay.
One was the 49 years.
Hey, pemu.
Just
but when you say,
to man that who's so MPP and this young near my race no monte. Some Professor Alabi so record no. Campaign manager and also he GCB Juma
Nanu cry donations I would any idea. Professor Alabi, fantastic man too.
But you see, I've always said something, sir. And I said something in this studio and Dambuchi repeated it.
Right.
They should have unified Alan Bamia ticket. They should have sat the two men down, talked to them to unify the ticket. Asiedu Nketiah shouldn't contest for the presidency. I repeat it here. Not because I don't like him.
He should not.
But because you see, what the NDC is going through, they need a person to sit at the back and engineer things. Aside the Asiedu Nketiah within the NDC, I don't see anybody being able to call people to order
than him.
So if he is involved in the mix, it will be difficult. That's the same thing people come into no emre. Tina na bi mu na control affairs. So when you go see us out.
The chaos we banana can see Nketiah actually. Now no
because you see I have said it here. If I said Nketiah contest, election is popularity.
Obe.
Aside John Mahama, there is nobody popular with it. Now go on yes on a for some of contest no. Now them credit.
Or your popular with
Mugabe. Asiedu Nketiah. Mudi agro. One way NDC MP for Bunu region. MP for 1 seat, German South. One. He's huge. Vastly experienced. MP wadi bida. Minister wadi bida. Board on watena su bida. The longest serving general secretary de konum kubia be sitting here no. Okay. It was a contest no. And make Eric the 2005. They should speak to him. And get him to stay in the party.
It's true.
If you unleashes his arsenals, I can confidently it will be difficult to topple Asiedu.
But I want to say,
and I'm sure, you see, election, I hope I see. There's a way. Always, I cite my example. This house, there are many things I disagree with. Some because me from YouTube, say na then the CEO, me what we do? The rest is sack me. What the let time? Here we go.
That's it.
What I say? So you need to have people who can always talk to the conscience of people. Let them see the bigger picture. Because see, this is a glimpse. Garden boy and sort ya some tray. Where you munta can
Garden boy,
and you munta can ankasa, where you munta can spokesperson. Video be a trend so as someone to consume chairman on your Obia Bodembia or Obio checking on.
A serious.
And you know how this makes? We say we need more better. We may make NDC a MPP 17 2008.
What kind?
Alabi or record. Alabi ni record. On record. How many word are on record or boss next?
Yeah.
So record. I said Nketiah record grade yeah. I told you back I said, see I'm drama number economy Bahama call you. You achieve macroeconomic stability. One high IMF. This is hopefully our last time.
Yeah.
On the crowd or sounds so. How not do so because I'm so experienced by the minority leader. The northern vote in Abba. Me a young. Me a ready to kowuni.
Yeah.
To me take it no. Julius the Brown Subaba. Musika somewhere there. Me chief of staff. Minister is so much doing you be in Semonis is here.
To be our record, be record. Yeah.
Could the tone to because I may expose Sika home and a boy.
Yeah. To be a better idea.
There was a son in Kuno Shan come on.
Now no much video be now.
For be our record. It's true because I do food inflation.
Yeah, Miss I agree on the campaign plan.
Be a record. 17 no more can go. That's what I'm saying, that you need someone with that stature.
17. Say ni pass 17. And I send her back.
To China or Baba.
Hey, I'm poor.
Prof James Obi our first vice chancellor. And what drink? So my constituents. Okay. The chiefs and the people. Chiefs baby.
Almost a menko.
Omoba crack from lawyer friend Adama.
Okay.
One could be able to contest. Ya the Omoba crack no shame look the amount. What's a shame? The chiefs and chief people be a man.
One now.
Me say me yes kana me ko kede constituency kede for say kede for nkan bibia. Me ana me pɛ me MP dinam dia kwhye wo. Sanity.
There's a wuni way on the Obeya.
Omo 17.
Yeah, it's true.
Sylvester Menson said dance so.
Omo you omo be dey is serious.
Akwa. Edi wo ho. It's the bottom line is that they need that person to sit at the but you said something that is very important. And let me go to the substance in the next 4 or 5 minutes. You see, our summit today is that the NDC will win the next election not because of who they were presenting necessarily.
Yeah.
They will win the next election based on the track record and deliverables.
Yeah.
You see, I work with the 2020, 2016, 2020, 2024 election taught us something, sir. The Ghanaian people are getting discerning by the day.
Yeah.
The Ghanaian people are able to do the analysis and see, sir, have you bettered their lives?
I
don't believe it. And I'm making the critical analysis. I mean, the video, but
you don't trust. Say it to me. Okay.
I got 17 times. Let me show it to Jeff. But let me do the analysis for you because we want to do a substance analysis. Yeah. You see, I got 17 times. I call every president could be in the fourth Republican dispensation. Jeff beat me that too.
Right.
It's because we didn't do some fundamental things right. Now, when you bring the chart, you see something very glaring. I hope so. The chart and then come back to some.
Right.
There are two presidents who largely didn't go to the IMF.
Okay.
You to Nkrumah February 1966. By May 1962, we had the IMF. What did Nkrumah do? Industrialization.
Okay.
Now, what the chart and it was a bit me on here.
Ebusunya bra Facebook na Eugene chat be about IMF.
Yeah.
Right.
69 a coin. The next time I call you 79. It's a champion coin na a sound IMF.
Yeah.
What did the champion do? Say a champion kind of champion.
Yeah.
For two bedroom go for 20. Then
sure.
New plan.
Yeah.
Agree.
Yeah. Deliverables be brave.
The two motogram operation feed
yourself.
Oh boy. This is why. In the champion for 2 years, Ghana achieved rice sufficiency. Because we achieved rice sufficiency. Now, the Mona Ghana for the need to meet them as swinging. Young Crawford, the Babe Kahun. That is the model Thomas Sankara copied. Oko Burkina Faso, some kind of one god, one village. And then found by one village, one dam.
Yeah.
Dam in Suotono. Not dam the Queen's with him.
Yeah.
This is it. So the two presidents or head of state in our history that never tasted the IMF is Ike Champion and Nkrumah. And they are the two, coincidentally, they are the two best leaders we have, in my view.
So my ideologies,
because they had homegrown solutions
to
our issues.
Yeah. They didn't need IMF to direct us anyway. Yeah.
I just saw Nketiah, 30 kilometers. A full ben or but By you say you be.
Boom se man for do kwano. Recently crazy me be is in Monica side or
Teta Burkina Faso to no kotoya e kofuni wu ye. Nu krutan tan bi na ete ho mo mo tichi nipa okro ne so. Teta krutan tan we. Ba akokwa nim ni nti e ko ho no. Omani hunyansa say omo ye desert.
Ye ko pet tomatoes ya.
Omo ye irrigation na kronum na irrigation ti plug and play. Na tamiska kotobedi. Ya mo nam.
Ah you bit me aye akomadan ne na sefo ni nyina wo.
Na ebi ni o. So we are not sufficient in tomato.
Yeah.
Nansaya Niger, ku ni si ya enkrofo no kokem kwada so for. Ghana goes all the way to Morocco. Morocco koto carrot. Ya mo dam.
Wa bra mamponfo se de umisi do carrot ye discussion mu. Ai.
Google Netherlands, check now. Top 10 food exporting countries. Korea you almost half of the country.
Your viable land so a bit media.
The entire northern region, there was access in Netherlands.
Yeah.
The northern region
landscape.
So, young IMF, and your brofu a way.
Plan.
Young IMF, a women development bank, no go 2 years where money in your bank. And on so more than when you call. How now to need the
seriously.
Say young IMF be na this very ni election e 133 na mu ni ne adwuma enti ye to military forms for nipa just around 20 times cra 500,000 apply na say teacher for the no hu ye per 7,000
yeah
numbers no over 100,000 ne gufie na say pharmacy for a school 2020
last week environmental health officers
on cra dem course see atwam dey for tankers for na tankers gu ye ne
oh, but ye we baby a dru ya Eugene.
Ye here. Aduma ye here politicians.
Because they are the same people so the
Aduma ye here politicians.
Ye here politicians.
Per every measure. Me say pharmacists from
ya dwene no ne ntimi nsisi ni.
Ya papa. From 2020 pharmacists some 4,000 yem fair bi. Pharmacy technicians 6,000 yem fair bi. Aban we ban no so fair bi omo fa 150. We school pharmacy 6 years.
There are so many hospitals cry
50. But you see ye nim nyansent ni etua $500 million in name of teacher and nursing training allowance. Ye more them. That was NDC be win election. These are the fundamental things.
Sure. A delivery no.
Some solving in area. Mudu obi aba obewini.
Yeah, it's true.
Why was the Kofo election too close 2000 the closest election they've had? Because Makacho said, when you read the Institute of Statistical and Socio-Economic Research, the best economy recorded 2006, 2007, 2008, 2011. There's no doubt. Check inflation, economic growth, exchange rate. That is there.
Seriously.
Prof Mills not as a 2012 based on the economy.
His performance.
Because it tells you that the economy is what? The fulcrum. As a physics student, they can't fulcrum.
Yeah, it's true.
And they say, no, you fight and then the comment no more and yes. But we need show me. I come on. Teacher for
Sifie. Is a recruitment crime more or security a. And is an animal penny am a double number, a number nanka mofa. It was in human crime. Is he as a medical, no medical screening or nipa and this thing no because nipanity feel were frustrated. A distress, psychological distress, grab money panine, Tayasini past 6,000 almost screening or money. Because if you are frustrated, what happens? A new or the best relieve stress, no?
These are the things
for
them.
Yeah. Eugene.
Nanya sabe ya kwa no mu ye die ebetija. So whatever concessions they need to make to the old man.
Yeah.
You may not like Asiedu Nketiah. Obi any me admiration for me. I don't hide my bias. Me Janis am minimum. Me penasem because of how he's contributed to the democratic enterprise. Again say so mu ala na Asiedu Nketiah kwa ebetija. That is my view. Thank you to Ebeke bi wa anya papa.
What man show?
Akwanim na sadia DC bi anko thank you to.
And na make say ne prof mu nyina so mo fa be Professor Alabi mo ne Prof J mu na obi afa ba bi. Nti ne enko obi akọ thank you to. Amana be adwuma no.
Exactly.
Enya papa.
The way Saturday.
Meda Saturday be to aso. You know say to the fact checker and na otre ne nka no na abusua